Hello, I'm Joshua de Lisle, the designer blacksmith. Welcome. So these all went to the Forge Kitchen in Ipswich. Absolutely fantastic restaurant. Their food, their drinks are really nice. And we've got lots more coming from them as well, so that'll be interesting to see what you think of my designs. And another very special thank you to Adrian Campbell and all his staff at the Campbell Group. They have provided all the laser cuts for making these parts, and honestly, absolute top service and credit where credit is due. So they've got my recommendation. Right, what would you guys like to know then? Oh, someone else to recommend. Now, this Superflex CK welding torch was given to me by Rapid Welding Supplies, and I recommend them for one really good reason. Let me just show you. Apologies for the mess, but you should all know now that I've invested in a few raw machines at a very cheap price. These are one of the cheapest welders you can get. That will do 250 amps AC/DC current. It doesn't come without its problems, but if you want to use professional torches, it doesn't have the correct fittings. But Rapid Welding Supplies will provide you with these custom fittings that will fit pretty much any machine. You just need to give them a spec on the size and what torch you want to link it to, and they'll give you the coupling tool, which is that right there. So if you were getting a cheap machine but you wanted professional welding supplies, that's the way you would go about it. Now I'm using the foot pedal, but you can see I've taken off the downslope switch and just had it as on and off, and all I did was put the peak current to where I wanted it. Every time I touched the foot pedal it was on, very much like using the finger switch. And in a lot of cases I just put just a little bit of downslope on the setting, and that gives me the ability to manual pulse. Now the reason why I wasn't using the upslope is there's definitely a problem with the settings. It might be something to do with the foot pedal itself or this machine, I don't know. It's all very cheap, but that was my way around it as a quick fix in case you guys are having the same trouble. I do use the upslope on thicker material, but for the real fine stuff I didn't have that lower end, which is why I wanted to have it manually set here instead, with the peak current set, a little bit of downslope, and then all on just the switch. For those that want to know. Right, I don't know if this will interest anyone, but I've been 3D printing some nut adapters for the welding torch. So this is the adapter that Rapid Welding gave me, and this is the hand tightener, which is really comfortable actually, that I 3D printed. 3D printing it out of TPU is even better because it's quite soft then. This one is just out of PLA. It doesn't get hot enough to melt, so it's absolutely fine. It just means that when you're screwing new fittings onto your machines or new torches, or you want to switch stuff, everything's just super quick and don't need spanners or anything. So let me know if that is something you're interested in, because I can make either the 3D printing file available, or if you wanted one to fit your machine, let me know, because I can probably make them available. Right, so I've got a ton more to share with you, so you know what to do if you want to find out more, as well as plenty of sculpture patterns all coming soon. And until next time, happy forging a life worth living, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.